Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy, and I'm your Virginia defense attorney. If you're charged with trespassing in Virginia, you should contact me today to discuss your case. Trespassing is a Class 1 misdemeanor, and it could carry the possibility of jail time, depending on the facts of the case and depending upon your record. And in some cases, people could actually go to jail for trespassing. So even if you think it may be a minor situation, you should still contact me so you and I can discuss what you may be looking at once we get to court. For trespassing, depending on the circumstances, if there's a sign, for example, the Commonwealth has a burden of proving that the sign that says no trespassing was actually posted by an authorized person. So they can't just show, though, there was a sign. They have to further prove that that sign was validly posted. So you may have a defense to the case, even if you think, yeah, I didn't see the sign. Well, that may not be enough, just simply that there was a sign there, if the Commonwealth can't produce someone to prove that the sign was a valid posting. Also, if this is your first offense and you have a good record, even if you really are guilty of trespassing and you think you really did do it and they can prove it, you may still be able to have other outcomes on the table. For example, if you have a great record and this was just a misunderstanding, we might could have the case dismissed simply based on a misunderstanding. Or we might could have you qualify for some type of first offender type of program where you do some community service, you maybe pay a little restitution if there was any damage to the property, you pay a little court costs, and if you're a good behavior for a little period of time, then the case could be dismissed. So it's a great way to avoid a conviction on your record. Even though trespassing isn't the most serious misdemeanor that may be out there, it certainly is a misdemeanor and it is a crime, and you don't want that on your record if you can avoid it. So contact me today so you and I can get started discussing the facts of your case and what I can do to help.